So some issue happened. They said the offer is already over, but I spoke to this Ritvik and all, then he's trying to arrange something for me. So let's see what happens. Will I get the parts or not? I have no idea now. So I thought of getting this one. This is the Bobo, the GPS mount that we have. Hello and welcome back to a new video, guys. So here you can see my KTM Adventure 390 X Plus variant. I've already installed the phone mount with the Motor Torque, the GPS mount that I have. Now the issue I'm having is with this one. There's a lot of rattling noise with this, the visor. Alright guys, so I'm on the bike, so I'm heading to the KTM service center. So if you see, this is the phone mount that I've added. Myself I did it, it was very easy to do. Now the main problem is the rattling noise, like I said. Rest everything is fine, but the rattling is too much. I believe the visor might have been a little, loose. So probably we can add a bush or something, some soft cushioning and have that sorted. Let's see if the service center people have some solution to it. So it's not a big problem. I'm sure it is, a simple thing that they can solve it very easily. Kind of a DIY. If they cannot do it, I'll do it. So that's not an issue. Okay, and I'll also tell you how you can do it if you have a KTM adventure bike. Okay. Apart from that, the main reason to go to the service center now is the parts. Like you already know, I had some great offers on the bike. Like I said, around 12,000-13,000 accessories I'm getting for free, like the touring seat, the front cover for that particular headlight there, the headlight cover, that one. Then I'm getting a main stand. All this is something that I'm getting installed from the service center. So I'm going to this service center now. Okay, so let's see how that goes. It's the first time me going to a KTM service center after a long time. So new bike, new experience. Yamaha was great. I had friends there. Idyat manager was there. Now let's see who I'll find in the KTM. Let's see how the service is, how the staff is and all of that. So I'm very curious to go and meet new people now. So that's going to be the plan. Okay, and I believe you saw my KTM delivery video. If you have not seen that video, I'll put it on the screen. You can just go and check that video out. Probably after this video you can check the delivery video as well. We have taken two bikes for delivery, the KTM Duke 250 and this bike. So two bikes of the same brand, KTM, that we have now. Beautiful bike, I have no issues with it. Only thing is that rattling noise, which I think it's going to be quite peaceful. If someone is owning a KTM 390, if you have the same issue, let me know what you have done to resolve it. But any which was, I'm asking with the service center as well. Let's see what they will tell. If you can help me, you can help me, or else I can help you. So let's help each other, guys. Okay, that's how the riding community builds. We all help each other. I'm looking forward for a lot of rides on this bike, man. Very excited. These small bumps on the road, you don't even feel it, dude. Like, it feels like a cakewalk when it comes to any kind of patches, rough edges. I believe the KTM is the best choice for that I've done. Any kind of the bad roads, it can easily take the torture. Especially for Indian roads, I think the ADVs, any ADVs, X-Pulse, this one, Himalayan. I think anything that you go with, you're not wrong. Everything is good, but I think the ADV is going to be a very good choice currently for the condition of our Indian roads. So yeah, by saying that, I'm not going to make you guys bored. Now let's go to the service center itself and let's talk from there. Let's see what happens. Let's see what they'll install, and if there's any charges while installing it, all of the good stuff. Alright, let's go. Guys, I've already reached the service center here. This is behind me. So it's in Kasturba Road. Trying to upgrade the parts and all of that. So some issue happened. They said the offer is already over, but I spoke to this Ritvik and all, then he's trying to arrange something for me. So let's see what happens. Will I get the parts or not? I have no idea now. So guys, I just kept my bike for that installing this parts and all. So I had some issues there, but now it's sorted. I believe we're doing it. They're doing it there. So I was just trying to explore the place, and then I just found this place, Islay of Man, where you are getting some good stuff for the bike. So I thought of getting this one. This is the Bobo, the GPS mount that we have. So I just thought, let me buy this for my bike, because this one has the rain protector plus damper. So I thought, let me get this one. So if you see this, here is the mount. So I think the quality, I always get the Bobo one. So this is really good, man. So you can keep your phone nicely. I'll just show you that in a minute. See, this is the mount. So if you see here, you can just keep your phone like this. So the phone is safe. So this works even with the glass. So this is like good. I believe the touch response is all good. So it's working correctly. So I thought of buying this part. So this is for what, 2,400. So I think it's a good deal. This is like worth that price. So I just want this when you're going for a ride and all of that. So I'm gonna buy this one. Apart from that, I'll just show you the place as well. Let's go and check out the place. So the setup is like really like biker type, full retro type design everywhere, like helmets and a lot of jackets and all of that. So I think that is giving the vibe, man. So yeah. So all right, I just thought of sharing this. If you're staying near Kasturba, I think you can visit this place. The Islay of Man. So you have a lot of things, man. Even look at the options. Lot of options. So now let's go to the bike and see if the work is done, and then I'll give an update from there as well. That is the KTM service center, and here you have that store. Finally, the installation part is done. So if you see here, I've added this fender. This all comes like free, like the offer that we had. Guard over here, which protects the light. Then we have the seat. This one looks like really premium, man. See, look at this. So this is a touring seat we got, and I think there's a guard here in the bottom as well. Like if you see the line here, this one. And most importantly, you've also got the main stand. See the main stand. So these parts are expensive, but I've got it for free. Like I paid around the fitting charges, that was 1,083 rupees. That was a labor charge. That's all I had to pay, and we have done everything on the bike. ये अच्छा दिख रहा है ना एक्चुअली इस पे, ये वाला पोर्शन. Alright guys, so I'll end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. And also, if you see the old parts that we had, the parts are here, all the old parts they have provided. Alright, that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and bye bye.